pavillon derrière. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Ange and I'm a teacher and a mom living in Ivory Coast. And you know that I share with you my lifestyle. And this is the end of the academic year. Okay, so right now teachers are packing all over. I will show you right now what I have. I don't have so much to pack because I move from classes to classes. This is what I did this year because I had like grade 1 and grade 3, so I don't have so much to pack. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I'm not sure it will end up being a vlog, but well, I have to share these few moments with you. Okay, let's do it. Well, this is what I have. I did it already, but just let me show you. Okay, so I have some games for younger ones, okay, puzzles, many others. Here I have flashcards and I can tell you many things, but I cannot unpack them. So I'm just packing this way. And then this on top. And what I'll do is just pack all of this together. Here I have some posters rolled in. My flashcard box. Okay, many of them. Hello! How was it? Vous avez fini?
Vous êtes tout ça?
Oui, tu as vu? J'ai trouvé des solutions. Voilà, exactement. Je t'assure. And I'm done. Donc je ferme juste ça, je mets mon nom. Et puis j'emmène ça à la maison. Because here I have my documents, so I keep this. My school bag. Okay guys, so part of the end of the academic year is this dinner, this special dinner that organized by the founder of the school, the head of the school. So I could not vlog at the beginning because I don't know if you hear me well. Wow. Because well, many people and I couldn't show them for privacy reasons. You understand? But here we are in a beautiful place. I will try and show you some clips, but you have a wonderful place and we are having a wonderful time. It's after midnight. It's to 1 a.m. now, and we are really enjoying the moment. We dance, we have nice food, and yeah, I couldn't vlog when I was leaving the house because my daughter made me a light makeup and I love it, simple, and because I don't use to makeup so I don't know how to do it myself anyway, so my daughter helped me. I'm not sure you can see anything now, but but it's okay. So that is it. So let me show you some clips of it. And I think tomorrow we still have to go to work. It's officially tomorrow, the 5th of July, is officially the end of the academic year. So unless they announce tonight that we don't have to come back later in the day. All right, All right, guys, take care. It was nice to take you along. So, time for the holidays. I will definitely share with you other videos about maybe more about my life as a mom, as a teacher, and no, not a teacher. My life in Ivory Coast, in Abidjan, anything I would do, my plans. I may share with you, not so much, but anyway, I will share with you. All right, so take good care and let's see this beautiful place together. Le pavillon derrière.